2 months, malalaman ko na kung scam yun or hindi. But it turned out na hindi pala siya scam. Ngayon nga po, moving forward, naging seryoso ko nung June of last year, no, kasi I was already invited sa mga Zoom meeting, and every day umaattend na po ako ng Zoom meeting. During that time, naengganyo po parang nahook ako kay Sir Fernand dun sa meeting niya. Inaabot siya ng mga 800 to 900 people. Sabi ko, this must be good. Sabi ko ganun, right? So, syempre, doon ko na nalaman na crack na ang dami palang ways of earning dito. Hanggang sa shinare ko na po yung link. Sinwerte ako dahil dalawa agad ang naging active, and hindi ko man po sila kinausap. No, yung isa lang ang kinausap ko, tapos yung kinausap niya na hindi ko nakakilala, siya yung mas maraming kakilala. So yung direct ko, no, yung taga Jersey City, hindi rin siya seryoso. Naging seryoso lang siya after 3 months, no? Ini-screen ko lang po yung kanyang kinikita. Kumikita siya noon ng yung 7th way of earning, yung monthly. Kasi syempre hindi pa siya nagre-recruit before, hindi nga siya the fact na in-entrust niya sa akin yung password niya, ibig sabihin hindi siya talaga interesado. Kasi pinangako ko sa kanya, pag hindi ka kumita ng 6 months, ibabalik ko yung pera mo. Sabi ko na, so hinihintay niya yan, ano. Anyway, ni-screenshot ko every month for 3 consecutive months yata. Sabi ko, tingnan mo, itong kinikita mo nang hindi ka man nagtatrabaho. Pagka nagtrabaho ka, mas mabilis pa. So, kiniliti ko po siya hanggang sa, yun na nga ho, mga 2 months ago, nakuha na po na namin yung isang networker dito sa Bergenfield. And lahat ng networking company sinasalihan nun. Kilala siya doon sa yung kakilala niya 2 months ago, yun nga po ang nag-sign up. Isang leg niya meron ng Chinese at saka isang leg niya meron ng Korean. Hindi ho namin nakikita yan. Kaya right now po meron na akong total na 3,111 active members. Ang kinausap ko lang po 10. Ano ang aking sikreto? I do it like for fun. Hindi kita kulitin kung hindi kita kamag-anak. Yung mga kamag-anak ko, syempre kinukulit ko ng konti. Bakit kamo? Kasi kung ako mayaman, tapos sila lagi nagkakasakit, meron akong pera, di maya-maya, may pera naman si Tita Carol. Sige, maghiram tayo. Siyempre, pagka naghiram, ako kasi meron akong ugali na pagka naghiram, nahirapan na akong maningil. So, sabi nga nung tati ng mga anak ko, once na lumabas na yung pera, expect mo na hindi yan babalik sa'yo. Ngayon, ang sa akin is like, ang iniisip ko po lagi is like, sana meron sa mga kamag-anak ko ang maniwala dahil kahit wala tayo sa mundong ibabaw, ipon natin ito sa ating mga anak at mga apo. Maniwala kayo sa hindi. Internet is the way. Look at Bezos. The founder of Amazon, ini-snap ko yan before. Dahil kung alam ko lang na maganda yung Amazon na yan, di dapat bumili na ako ng stock noon pa, noong $50 pa lang, 'di ba? Ngayon, hindi mo naabot yung stocks niya. Okay, magtatrabaho ka rin sa Amazon. Marami din kumikita sa Amazon, pero kailangan din ng skills. Ito na ang live ko ng pinakamadali. Share lang ng link, no? Share, tapos collect. Share, collect, 'di ba? So anyway, ganun lang po. Maraming salamat po, and lagi ko po nga, I am working close hand in hand with my 3 legs, si Jan Lalakit, Miss Aida Acohada, at saka lalo siyempre yung ating pinakasikat na yung ating valedictorian na si Miss Rose, no, na mas mabilis po siyang umangat sa akin. Nag full time siya, ang dami talagang in-embrace niya yung Live Good, and she is looking it forward na talagang what do you call this, talagang in-embrace niya hanggang sa sales, nasa kanya yung Live Good, no? Si Miss Aida naman po, napaka-busy lang po niya. Only recently siya yung naging pangatlo ko para umangat ako sa Diamond. Nag one-on-one kami. She was the one who reached out to me. Wala lang siyang oras na pansinin yung Live Good. Pero alam mo, for the past 3 days, oh my God, ang dami niyang naipasok talaga. No, ganun lang po. So within 1 day, within 3 days, magkakaroon kayo ng isang gold. Basta keep on sharing lang po. Marami nagre-reject sa atin, pero makakita kayo ng isa. Yan po ang aangat. Okay? So maraming salamat, Miss sa nag-request. Hopefully, lahat po tayo makakarating dito. Thank you.
Ayun po, thank you Coach Caroline for sharing po. We really appreciate po. Yun, alam niyo po lahat po talaga tayo magiging diamond, 'di ba Coach Beth? Basta wala pong hihinto diyan. And yan si Coach Sal, pa-end na natin kay Coach Sal, busy Coach Sal. Coach Sal, can you share a
Right.
little close po, and maraming salamat po.
Can you hear me okay?
Yes po, yes po.
Very good. Yeah, because I'm here at the uh, car shop. I need to buy tires for snow. We're gonna go to the snow tomorrow. Anyway, congratulations, Coach Carolina. Um, Talaga, you're the you're a pride of our team. First Filipina Diamond in the USA, and you are part of Team Momentum. Anong ibig sabihin niyan, guys? This will bring more value to our team, meaning we are doing something right in our community, no? And first, I'm also, proud to say, no, not boasting, but I'm just proud to say also, being the first Filipino diamond din sa US. So we have the first Filipino and the first Filipina in the US. So that means we're doing something right, no? So we keep doing what we do, all of us. Well, not all, kasi not everyone's gonna follow the rules, right? And not everyone's gonna follow the instruction. Ganun talaga, it's the rule of life. Hindi lahat sumusunod. Okay? Anyway, but if you follow, the reward is big, no? You will become a diamond. So, yun po, I would just want to piggyback, no? I know a lot of you guys wants to know how Carolina became diamond in a faster rate, no? Yung una, napag-usapan na natin, isa sa sikreto, it's not even a secret, yung credit wallet. You become the leader to give solution to the people. Hindi ka yung hingi ng tulong to the time dapat ikaw na yung tumutulong sa grupo mo kasi you're limiting your growth kapag pag limited yung pagtulong mo. Ibig sabihin, antay mo pa matulungan ka ng upline mo or ng team mo bago mo sila matulungan. Ibig sabihin, you're not spending the time to learn the things that you need to learn in order to empower your team. So that's number one. Number two is the Zoom. Okay? Very important, guys, to attend the Zoom. Ayan po paano natuto si Coach Carolina. Attend lang ng attend ng Zoom 'yan. Mapapansin nyo, guys, madalas yan nandun sa Zoom. At marami sa mga tao na nasa Zoom, halos kalahati, puro kagrupo niya. So that means a lot, right? That is a blueprint. Pangalawa, yun nga, invite to the Zoom. Ngayon, in the process na nag-a-attend ka ng Zoom, there are times na sabi ko, coach, napanood ko na yan. Mananawa ka, guys. Sana hindi ka manawa. Kasi kung mananawa ka, dapat kabisado mo na paano gawin ang Zoom. At least kahit na one-on-one presentation to somebody, that means you're duplicating. Kasi kung hindi, nakadepende ka lang lagi, attend ka lang ng attend ng Zoom at most of the time nananawa ka na, ibig sabihin yan, you're not growing. What I mean by growing, you're growing to learn the knowledge and the confidence to be able to share Live Good. Kasi guys, at the end of the day, we are Live Good brand affiliates, brand influencers. So our job is to tell our story to influence people to become a subscribers or affiliate with Live Good. So ibig sabihin yan, maging expert ka to tell the story. So sa mga training, sa mga Zoom, dalawa nangyayari pag nag-a-attend ka. Pag nag-a-attend ka sa participants, kahit na naka-involve ka na sa business, ibig sabihin yan, tinutulungan mo yung growth ng Zoom natin. Ibig sabihin, tingnan mo pag may na-invite kang dalawa nag-show up, nakita niya merong 150 people, merong 200, may 500 na mga taong nandun sa Zoom. Do you think it's going to help, credibility, excitement? Siyempre, isipin ng ibang tao, daming tao, no? So, di ba, nakakatulong ka. Ngayon, while nakakatulong ka, hindi mo naman kailangan na nakaupo ka lang lagi. Go do something, wash dishes, fold your clothes, anything, leverage, okay? Tapos, yun nga, pag wala kang invite, mag-show up ka para makaroon ka ng confidence para maka-invite ka. Kasi at the end of the day, guys, we're not selling live good. We're not selling um, to make money. Kasi pag doon ka nakafocus, ang dami namang other opportunities na pwedeng salihan yung ibang tao. More importantly, there are other people that are already in live good. Bakit hindi sila doon sasali? What we are selling here, guys, what we are promoting is the system. The system, the team momentum system that can help people become diamond kahit na wala kang masyadong experience. Kung may experience ka, mas madali para sa'yo. Kunti na lang aalamin mo. Pero kahit wala kang experience, if you have the system that can teach and empower people while you are learning, that can teach and empower people that you brought into the system, your duplication process will explode. So yan, it's all laid out. Kailangan na lang guys para itong Ferrari. Kailangan mo na lang sakyan pero kailangan mong drive-in. Kahit ganong kabilis ang kotse na sinakyan mo, pag hindi mo pinaandar yan, hindi ka gagalaw. So guys, importante, gumalaw tayo. Hindi puro learnings, yan. You have to push yourself. Naku, nakakatakot, hindi ako marunong magsalita. Okay lang. That's called boldness. Kapag having a courage. Ibig sabihin kasi ng having a courage, meron kang kinatatakutan pero hinarap mo. Ang mahirap, yung naging fearful. Kinatakutan mo, inurungan mo. Pero madalas guys, yung kinatatakutan natin nasa utak lang. Hindi naman talaga mahirap to promote, market the business. Kulang lang tayo sa motivation. So let the inspiration to motivate you to always move your business forward. Kailangan meron kang daily action, daily method of operation. Dapat araw-araw nagma-marketing ka. Para kapag nakita ka ng mga tao, tulad ng mga mag-anak natin guys, they're the last people that's going to join our business. And it's okay. It's okay. Kasi baka ang dami mo nang sinalihan, benta ka ng benta. Ang iniisip nila, ayokong matulad kay Sal, marami ring sasalihan, benta ng benta, hindi pa rin yumayaman. So now we have to prove them wrong. This time, we have to do it properly, use proper marketing methods para ma-attract natin sila. So, in the end, ganito, no? Ito lang nasilip ko, no? Bakit pumutok ang negosyo ni Coach Carolina? Diyan lalaki, networker. Rose, may experience sa marketing. Aida, platinum, networker. Guys, I'm not saying pag walang networkers na sumali sa business mo, hindi ka magiging diamond. Pero, mas mapapabilis ang bilis ng growth ng business mo. Hanapin mo ang mga networkers na naghahanap ng magandang negosyo. Kahit na meron ng business yan, majority of other networkers are struggling. Now, makikipagyabangan ba tayo sa kanila? Hindi. All you need to do is to increase your audience. Ang audience mo dapat mga networkers. Kasi kung pipilitin mo lang ang mga kapitbahay mo, friends and family, guys, mahihirapan ka. You have a better chance to win the lottery than to win with your friends and family in network marketing. I'm not saying don't share this to your friends and family. Pero pag nag-hope ka, that it's given already. They're the last people who will believe you in your success kasi hindi pa nila nakikita yung success mo. Pero pag successful ka na, unti-unti na yan lalapit. With that guys, I wish the best for everybody. Panghawakan po natin yung mga natututunan natin and apply. Kasabi nga nila, no, knowledge is not power. Knowledge is only potential power. But when you apply the knowledge, you put action, it becomes powerful. Naniniwala ko mga kapatid, mga kalibgut, mga ano ba? mga ka-diamonds guys. Kaya natin ito. Pero guys, apply the knowledge. Back to you coaches.
Ayun, maraming salamat Coach Sal. Enjoy the